The Indus River System, one of the largest in the world, flows through China, India, and Pakistan. But it's not just one river. It's six: Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, and Sutlej. These rivers are lifelines, literally, for agriculture, drinking water, and hydroelectricity. The Indus River itself originates in Tibet, which is part of China, flows into India's Ladakh region, and then enters Pakistan, where it eventually drains into the Arabian Sea. After the partition in 1947, tensions between India and Pakistan weren't just about land, they were also about water. Who gets how much? Who controls what? And how do you share a river that doesn't follow borders? In 1948, India built canals and temporarily stopped the water flow from the eastern rivers to Pakistan. This move sent shockwaves as Pakistan was highly dependent on that water for its agriculture and daily needs. In 1960, when something remarkable happened, with help from the World Bank, India and Pakistan signed a peace treaty. It was called the Indus Waters Treaty. The treaty was signed by India's Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and Pakistan's President Ayub Khan. Pakistan got the western rivers, Indus, Jhelum, and Chenab. India got the eastern ones, Ravi, Beas, and Sutlej. But that's not all. Even though the western rivers were allocated to Pakistan, India was still allowed to use them, but only for non-consumptive purposes. That means India can use them for things like hydroelectric power, without storing large amounts of water, navigation, fishing, but not for irrigation or large-scale consumption. This treaty was hailed as a major success. In fact, it survived for more than 60 years, through 3 wars, rising hostility, and countless border clashes. It became a rare symbol of cooperation in South Asia. But then, in April 2025, everything changed. After a brutal terror attack in Kashmir that killed 26 innocent people, India officially suspended the Indus Waters Treaty. This is a big deal. Why? Because Pakistan depends on the western rivers for nearly 80% of its water supply. If India decides to restrict or divert that water, it could have devastating effects on Pakistan. Crops could fail, power shortages could become more severe, and major cities could face water scarcity. To be clear, suspension doesn't mean immediate stoppage, but it gives India a powerful diplomatic and strategic tool: the ability to control the flow of rivers that Pakistan relies on.